Just had the dishwasher repairman come to fix my Frigidaire dishwasher, which was giving me an i20 code. I had seen online that you could come down here and take out the filter, and there was a pipe that you had to go in and clean out. Well, this one's got a little plastic guard, so you can't really clean the pipe, so I just called the repairman. Strangely enough, the repair was very simple. In the drain, guy simply just removed the cap, took this piece off, and right in here there are a couple pieces of dirt. This is what was clogging the drain. After removing those, you put this part back together. Ran the dishwasher and it ran fine. So I hope that saves you some money.